Hello students, hope you all are in the best of your health and cheer. As you all are aware that due to the recent coronavirus outbreak, we all have got restricted to our homes. In this situation, our school has taken a wonderful initiative to reach you all even at home. I think you all have gone through the study material on the topic types of plants that I had sent last week. So let us revise those previous concepts and learn a few more new things about plants. We see many plants around us. They differ in size, shape, color, smell, and their place of growth. Here in the picture, children, you all can see that there are plants of different sizes and different shapes. We can even see so many plants of different colors in this picture. Now, based on their different features, plants are classified as trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers, and climbers. Let us learn about trees. Trees are big, tall, and strong plants. You all must have seen trees everywhere around you. They have a thick brown and woody stem called trunk. They have many branches that bear leaves, flowers, and fruits. They have roots that are thick and strong. The trees live for many. As for example, we can see here a few trees. Coconut tree, a banyan tree, even eucalyptus tree. So children, I think you have seen many other trees other than these also outside your house. Now we are going to learn about shrubs. Shrubs are small to medium sized woody plants. They are smaller than trees, and these plants, they grow up to a height of around 5 to 6 meters. As you can see in the picture, a man is standing and the size of the plant is only up to his height. In fact, it is quite smaller to the height. These shrubs, they are highly branched from the base to the stem. They usually live for a few years and have thin brown and woody stems. The shrubs are also called bushes. Some examples of shrubs are a rose plant. As you have all seen rose plant, you must be having a rose plant in your house even. Hibiscus plant, cotton plant, pomegranate plant. All these plants are examples of shrubs. Then third type of plant that we are going to learn is herbs. Herbs are very small and weak plants. They have thin green and soft stem. As we can see in the given picture, they are really very small in size. The herbs, they live for only one season, and a season, it means 3 to 4 months. They can add flavor to food and are mostly known for their smell, which is really pleasant and amazing. Can you name any one herb which is really pleasant and amazing flavored and is used every day in our house? Mostly must have seen in the kitchen used by your mother? Yes, that is a coriander plant. A coriander plant is a herb that is generally found in each and every house. Even a mint plant, that's a pudina. Your mom must be using mint plant. Do ask your mother to show you the plants or the leaves of mint and coriander when you go to the kitchen with your mother next time. Then now we are going to learn about the next type of plants, climbers. These are the plants with weak stems. They must climb on other plants or stick to some walls in order to grow. These plants need support to grow. Example of climbers are money plant, a very common example. This is also found in most of our houses. Pea plant, cucumber plant, as you can see children in the picture, the cucumber plant is again climbing on a support and then only it is growing. So these all plants need some support to grow. Grapevine, morning glory, honeysuckle, jasmine, these are some other examples of. Finally, the last type of plant that we are going to learn today is a creeper. Creepers again have weak stems. They mostly grow along the ground. They have very thin branches, but they bear very big fruits. Example of creepers, watermelon, a big fruit. All of you must have eaten watermelon in summers, or many of you must be having it as your favorite fruit. So that is it. A watermelon plant is a creeper. Then a pumpkin plant is also a creeper, and as you can see again the third picture, that's a muskmelon. Muskmelon plant is also a plant that creeps. It is a creeper. So now we have learnt about all the 5 types of plants, that is trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Now further children are going to learn about the plants that grow in different climates. So first, as we start with it, we are going to learn about desert plants. The plants that can live in very hot and dry climates are called desert plants. Example of desert plants are cactus, a very common plant as you know. You must have seen cactus also. Prickly pear, this is also a thorny plant which needs very less water, and that is why it can survive in hot and dry climates. Secondly, aquatic plants. The word aquatic means water. So those plants like water hyacinth, lotus, duckweed, which can survive only in water, are known as aquatic plants. Understood everyone? Now third type of plants are mountain plants. The plants that grow on mountains and in very cold conditions are said to be mountain plants. Example, pine tree, it grows in the mountain areas only. Fir tree, again it grows in mountain areas and in cold regions. Then rainforest plants, the plants that grow in hot and humid climate. These are known as rainforest plants. Generally, a rubber tree can survive only in a hot and humid climate. Even a kapok tree can grow only in humid climate and a hot climate. So these type of plants are known as forest plants. Next are some tropical trees. Now the trees that grow in areas that are neither too hot nor too cold. These type of trees are known as tropical trees. A very common example of tropical tree is a mango tree. You all are familiar with mango tree and even with the fruit mango. So that is it. Do remember that mango tree grows in areas that are neither very hot nor very cold. It will survive only in the areas which has a moderate climate. Peepal tree again, it also is a type of tropical tree. Then finally about the exotic plants. Those plants that are brought from other countries and are now growing well in our country are known as exotic plants. So those type of plants are known as exotic because they were brought, like vanilla plant, it was brought from Mexico. Lychee has come from China and the quinoa from California. These are the plants which were originally being planted in these places, but now they are even growing in India. So such type of plants are known as exotic plants. So now children, we have learnt about the different type of plants that grow in different climates. Further, we are about the uses of plants. First thing that we know about plants is that they are our green friends. Plants are really very useful to us. They keep the air fresh and clean. How do they do that? They take in the carbon dioxide from the air and instead they give out oxygen, which is really very important for the survival of human beings and animals. Why is it important for human beings and animals? Because we all, that is human beings and animals, take in oxygen. For our survival, we need oxygen and we give out carbon dioxide. So this oxygen that we need is provided to us only by the plants. So that is why plants are really very useful for us. Now a few more uses of plants. Flowers of few plants are used to prepare perfumes. Like you can see in the picture, we have a champa plant, rose plant, lavender plant and a jasmine plant. All these plants, the flowers of these plants, in fact, they have a very beautiful smell, and that is why these flowers are used to prepare perfumes. Some plants are also used for medicinal purposes. This you all must be aware of, as tulsi leaves is just used in each and every house for cough and cold. In the same way, turmeric is considered to be anti-inflammatory. Aloe vera is good for skin, whereas amla is good for stomach. Some more uses of plants are that they are used to make paper, furniture, houses, etc. Fibers such as cotton are used to make clothes. Jute is used to make bags and mats, and coconut fiber are used to make ropes. So these are a few uses of plants that we have learned today. Other than that, plants can also be used for extracting oil. Like mustard gives mustard oil. Sunflower oil is we get sunflower oil from sunflower plant. Olive oil, groundnut oil, castor plant gives castor oil, and so on. So that is what we have learned today, children, about the different uses of plants, about the different types of plants, and about the plants that grow in different climates. I hope you all have understood and enjoyed the session. In case, children, if you have any queries, please feel free to ask me on WhatsApp. Have a good day, children. Enjoy your time. Do the exercise that I have given with this session and do it well. All the best. Thank you and bye.